And it should tell me here in a second. Yep. Okay, so we're recording. Stay tuned. Hi, Point 2. Sorry, you guys were functioning also as a Zoom tutorial to teach the teachers how to film their classes using this platform. So we have Julia here with us today. She has been in the classroom helping Emma film her classes because we're finding it's hard to teach when you don't have students in the room. So I'm super excited that Julie is here because we did not ever do a breakdown or a run of your point number. So we're gonna try and do that as best we can in the orange room. So the bars are your audience. And Julia, we'll just have to try and play with it to make sure that you're in as much of the shot as possible. Let me find sorry, any of those clicky things that you're hearing is Slack going off. All of the teachers are trying to figure out things right now. Okay, so Julia's gonna be all three of you guys. So Kate runs on from downstage left. So she has a little run on, from the center, or to the center, PK arabesque. And then I think she's holding her letter, but maybe you just went here. I can't remember. You know what you do. Then we have Julia runs here, and you know what you're doing. Got your little lame duck. Awesome. And then Bethany is in the center here. She holds her letter up, and they all walk down. We'll keep our social distancing rule, but you guys walk down here. Arms are around each other. And then you've got the curtsy, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4. Julia, let me know if any of this is wrong, since I actually don't really dance with you guys anymore. Okay, so we have a chaîné turn, and we step to fourth. The letter is in the left hand. Single plie through releve arabesque, and plie up to the développé second, and raise letters up here. Then we have, this becomes your step off change, right? Or your little balancing. Here, left arm comes back, Lomand. From here, we have Rondejant through down to the knee. True love will never meet again. We sit on the Bonnie banks of Loch. Lomand and throw, and then we run to those 3 lines. Kate is in front. Is Bethany going between you and Kate? She must, because you and Kate are doing the same side. So I'll kind of mark Bethany's side here. So we have tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, jeté, tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, jeté. We have the envelope turn. Oh, waltz turn. Yes. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we have the envelope turns, hands low, 3, 4. For me and my true love will never meet again on the Bonnie banks of. And you guys on your downstage legs for that releve? Okay, so then Bethany would be right leg extended? Yeah. Okay, so then Bethany, you have here, and we go to our sides for our solos, right? So Kate's solo is first. She has 4 chaînés. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has chassé arabesque on cloche to attitude devant here. Then she goes right into 2 envoûté turns over the right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has a piqué. Yep, we're so good. Piqué arabesque turn here and lowers to 4th. From there, she preps. There we go. We can still see now. Correct, she has a double turn. I can't remember which hand, you know, Kate, which letter your hand is holding. Whew. And then we change this so that your PK into your arabesque, PK passe into arabesque words. PK arabesque into your passe is on your left side. So here, here, and then you start the runoff. And again, you've done it enough. Do what's right, because I'm not the one actually dancing. So if feet changed and things like that, I think you guys remember what that should be. So Bethany, you have, I think you start on your right. We have plie, extend, 2, 3, they get higher, 4. And then we have, you know what, I think she must start on her right foot. 1, 2, 3. I think it makes sense for her to double pay her right foot first, unless you're doing something different, but you know what it is, for her to get back to that four right. So here, 2, 3, 4, so that you can just step here and four right come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, we extend back, recover. Then we have with the left foot a little prep into the run, just say here and up. And then we have, we come up to Susu, and we have here, here, and we have échappé close, 4, and échappé close, 4. And you run off stage, right? Juliet, I think you know what to do. I'll let you do your little section.
Actually, no, you're wrong. So it's PK.
2 says it's PK suit new.
Okay.
Or PK suit new. 2 and suit new. Yep. 1, 2, suit new. And then you have your saute arabesque right, left, your whichever side, catch step, and worry back. Then you have your PK fouette, PK fouette, and a little pause. And then we have your time fouette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you in this? You're holding in the center. Okay, so you go ahead and just hold your spot. So Kate, you come back with your lame duck here. And I think you guys look, do you have your letters in your hand? Are you looking at them or are you just?
Yeah, I think we're looking at
You're, okay, we think you're looking at them. So that was Kate's part. And then Bethany, you're coming from stage left and you have PK arabesque through 4th. And Juliet, we're keeping our distance, but you guys take hands. Sunshine waters. We walk forward, sleeping. From here, right foot comes back to around through Jean, or kind of trench. But the broken heart, it can. We've got this little washerwoman section, and then we've got these cannons. Bethany starts, and it's gonna feel, it feels more contemporary because of the way you're getting into that releve, but the right shoulder rolls back here. So it goes Bethany, Juliet, Kate. From here, you're in a plie, and you just got a back attitude looking at your hand here. And then from there, we spread out into the final diagonal to all go through the last section of Tombe category. So Kate, Julia, and then Bethany is back there. Okay. So we have Tombe, category, please, jeté, Tombe, category, please, jeté, and waltz, and waltz, on, walk, take, turns, rond de jambe. We look at the letter, we'll never meet again. And then we spread out Bonnie face, block low, and on Mund, we drop. And are you guys in first position here or B?
I think we.
Okay. We think B. All right, let's try this with music and see how this goes. Julia, however many parts you can do, want to do, I'll just kind of be there to march through some of it. All right, here we go. Yes. And Bethany's looking at her letter. Or we walk together. And you guys are walking down together. And we spread out a little bit. You're right.
Where the sun shines bright on your brow, where we are true, remember me again. Will the rainbow be bright so long? Will you take the high road and I'll take the low? And I'll be in Scotland, for my true, remember me again. The green morning lights all along.
So here's
Was land every boy dark in my shady land. On the steep, steep sands of the with you, love I will give to you.
there it is. so much. Practice this 5 times during your class time. I'm going to show the teachers how to finish their Zoom tutorial, so you don't have to worry about this part. Okay, so we just finished running point 2's like breakdown and video. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click stop recording.